a bad bitch from the city of the rose, and she knows how it goes. She never left the city, but she's not local. Oh, shawty, we could get together, it's whatever. Just give me the green light, then we swerving down Marine Drive. Windows open and your hair blowing. Damn, I can hardly focus, can you poke it out for me? Know what I mean, in those jeans. Ooh, tell me, is there any room for me in those jeans? Oh no, 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 no. Tell me, do you wanna fuck with a young nigga like myself? Could you ever fall in love with a young nigga like myself? And I've been thinking about you, nobody else. And my love is good for the hell, yeah. Conversations sometimes overrated. Don't wanna seem impatient, but let's get it straight. Don't need to wait so long, we got all night, I know. I can hardly focus, can you poke it out for me? Can I give it to you, show you how you can take it all? Wanna break you off. Relax and unwind, and let me take my time. Tell me, do you wanna fuck with a young nigga